Hi everyone, this is Jessica. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how I decorated my guest bathroom. Pretty much all the items that I use, I got them at Marshall's and I think I spent less than $150. I would love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on things that I should change, remove, or even add? Because I know during the process, I kept changing all the items back and forth, trying to find the place for it. So please let me know your thoughts on that. And without further ado, let's get started. So here's how it used to look before. I had this white shower curtain. I was trying to accomplish the boho look, but I didn't like it that much. So here's how it was before. As you can see in the wall, I have a macrame shelf. I did a video tutorial on how to make that. I will link the video on the description box below. I got this shower curtain at Marshall's. It was $14.99. I tried to buy something totally different than the white shower curtain so you can see the difference between what it was before. And that shelf, I also got it at Marshall's. I think it was $12.99. So pretty much everything that I put on this decoration, it was from Marshall's. I glued some tiles around the mirror to make a frame. Here's how the mirror used to look before on your left corner, top corner. So all I did is I bought like 3 packages of this glass tile and some contact cement. I think the contact cement was like $8.50, and the tiles, the pack was like $7 something. Here is another frame that I did on the other bathroom with different tiles. So now I started with all the accent pieces. As you can see here, I have this blue towel. This blue towel, I got it at Costco like for $5. Here you can see I put a tray, but later on I changed that tray. It was also from Marshall's, but I changed it because I didn't like it. And then you can see here on the top shelf, I have this plant, this hanging plant. It was like $9.99, and also the frame at the top, it was $9.99 at Marshall's. So I did this DIY project. It's like a cake stand. I couldn't find any one small enough to fit right next to my sink. So all I did is I bought this wooden plaque at Walmart. I think it was $3. And I got this wooden doorknobs, and they were the pack of 2 for 99 cents. So all I did is I took the wooden plaque and I painted with the Waverly Antique paint. And as you've seen on other videos that I've used this paint, I paint the wooden plaque and then I remove the excess paint with a paper towel just before it's dry, because I like how it turns out when you remove the excess paint. now I took some hot glue and I glued the doorknobs on the bottom part of the wooden plaque. The doorknobs will be the legs. So here's how it looks. I liked it. I like how it came out. So now all I did is I put it right next to my sink, and then I added some accessories. I put the hand wash soap and a hand towel, and then I put this, I can't remember the name of this. It's a little bottle that you put some oil and those wooden sticks. I can't remember the names. I just know it smells amazing. And then I found this little jar is for spices. It was on special for $1.99, but when I went to pay for it, it was only $1 because it didn't have the lid to cover the little jar. So it was perfect. And then I got some dry flowers. I got a local store here in Puerto Rico. It's a Chinese store, so the dry flowers, it was like a pack, and I think it was like $3, and it was perfect the size of the dry flowers because they were not big enough. Here you can see. I put it right on the wooden plaque or the cake stand. I don't know how you want to call it, but I didn't like it how it looked. It looked too crowded. So you're gonna see later on that I kept moving all the accessories back and forth. So here is the finished bathroom. You can see I moved the dry flowers, and also I changed the tray. So let me know. I still have a doubt about that frame on the top shelf. I don't think I like it that much. Maybe I'll change it. But pretty much this is how I finished the bathroom. Please let me know your thoughts on what you would do different. What would you add, remove, change? I don't know. Well, let me know, guys. So hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Be safe, everyone.